Hey guys, it's Cheryl from WTI, and I want to show you this neat little gadget that we found. It's a Soireehome. It's called Stopair, and that's exactly what it does. When you have a liquid like wine or olive oil or vinegar, and you want it to last a little bit longer, even if it's a screw cap, whatever opening it has that fits a cork, this will work to help preserve the flavor. It's very easy to use. You just put it in the bottle, you take it and you pump it about 10 to 15 times. And what that does is it helps to seal the bottle, let any air escape, and preserve the flavor. It does a wonderful job. I really have noticed a difference in especially wine that I haven't drinking right away. If you haven't drank it in a few days, it does recommend that you pump it a few more times just in case any air leaked in. Then it lets that air escape and it helps to preserve the flavor and helps your shelf life to last a little bit longer than normal. Like I said, any bottle, whether it's vinegar, oils, whatever you can find that you need to help to preserve the flavor, this is a great little gadget. It actually comes with two, so you could try different bottles. We have found that it really does a great job of extending the shelf life on things that we have. That is just my point of view.